Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to scan Wi-Fi QR code with laptop. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to open your web browser and then you will have to type out scanqr.org and then click on enter. Okay, now scroll down until you see the select QR image option. So here you'll need to drag your picture or a picture of your QR code. So let's head on to my files and then select the photo that you want to drag. For example, this one, and then drag it here. Okay, so as you can see at the right side, here is the detail of the QR code, the password, and the name of the Wi-Fi. Now, how to connect it to my laptop. So open your settings and head onto your Wi-Fi and then click on Wi-Fi. Okay, so here you will then just have to click on the manage known networks and then click on the add network option. Now to add the network name, just head onto your web browser and then copy this name which belongs to the S. So you just copy this name or the network name. Okay, and then head on back to your settings and then paste it here. Now for the security type, just click on this one and then select the WPA2 personal AES. And then for the security key, head on to your web browser again and then copy the password. So this one, copy it and then paste it in your security password or your security key. Okay, and then select if you want to connect this automatically or connect even if this network is not broadcasting. So it's up to you, and then click on save. And then as you can see, the network name has been added. So just click on your Wi-Fi and then locate that Wi-Fi connection and then click on connect. So you will then just have to wait. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.